Hello, YouTube and X. Is your main man BTM here, bringing you back to the BTM Crypto News Network. And today we're talking about the update from the AMA that just finished. So I guess we'll go through some of the information shortly, but I guess we can check the numbers. And so far, you can see the uh, pump from the AMA. So let's check the numbers real quick. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and super chat. So let's start the screen share and see what we can see. So as always, this is the bubbles, and you can see ZBCN, Zebec is up 13.1%. What up? What is this? Hayward? Harward? Man, what up, DR? What's going on? What's the word? So we'll go through it in a second. So Zebec, ZBCN is up 13.1% on the day, 7.1 on the hour, 43.3 for the week, 3.3 for the month, and 220% on the year. Let me know what you think about that. Let's look at the rest of the bubble. Toronto is up 7.3. White is up 10.9. Uniswap's up 5.6. Leo is up 6.6. CFX is up 5.4. Turbo Token is up 3.7. Bitcoin's down 5.8. Virtuals is down 4.9. Quant is down 2.2. Ethereum is down 4.9. Actually up. I'm tripping. Up 4.9. White's up 10.9. Pepe's up 4.2. XRP is up 6.3. Litecoin is up 3.6. Bonk is up 8.3. POW is up 16.3. Ondo is up 5.5. Spectra is up 5.2. ARB Arbrum is up 3.6. Cubic is up 9%. I need to check my Cubic actually. Snake is up 4.4. Mr. Miggles is up 9.1. Sui, which a lot of people have been talking about lately, is up 5.7. Stronghold, which I just added recently, is up 9.6. Nigga Chat is up 7.2. XML is up 4.5. Link is up 3.6. Alchemy is up 3.7. ICP is up 2.2. XPR is down 2.8. Helium is up 7.1. What is this? Assembly is up 1.8. Ethereum Classic is up 2.8. Sky is up 2.1. Osmosis is up 1.2. So moving forward, Live Coin Watch is saying it's up 6% in the hour, 13.5 for 24 hours, 43.3 for the week, 2.7 30 days, 362 for 90 days, and for the year up 249.7. Currently, the holders are 67,093. Let's refresh this real quick to get a fresh number. Did it refresh? Is it refreshing? Let's try it again. We're waiting for actually, okay, 73,163. Okay. Last 4 hours, it is up 74 holders, 13 hours, 128, day 184, 3 days, 811, 7 days, 1,347, 14 days, 1,530, 30 days, 179 holders. So it looks like we're back, baby. We are back and we are back starting to pump. So let me know in the comments. Currently on the 15-minute chart, looks like the RSI is up to 70.1. RSI base moving average is 62.8. The MACD has not crossed, but we're building volume on the 15-minute. We'll check the 5-minute, also building volume. RSI has came down to 62. Couple of red candles at the 0042. The high was the 0043 today. We might get up to the 0045 on the 5-minute. Let's check the 45-minute chart. Got several green candles. We're back at that 0042. RSI is up to 66.3. RSI base moving average is 56. And we're building volume on the 45-minute. So on the 2-hour chart, oh wow, look at that. So this is today. Yeah, this is this is 2-hour chart. It looks like around 1 o'clock it started to pump. So it pumped at 3 o'clock. No, is it already 12 o'clock? I'm tripping. Well, it pumped. It pumped. It pumped. It must be in the morning. I'm tripping. I'm tripping. So, okay, 3 o'clock in the morning, it started to pump. 5 o'clock, it pumped. 7 o'clock, it pumped. 9 o'clock, it pumped. 11 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2, 13, 14, 15, 3 o'clock, it pumped. So on the 2-hour chart, it's been steadily going up, which is probably from the AMA, and we'll talk about that in a minute. On the 4-hour chart, looks like it's moving right on up at the 00425, and maybe we're going to push past the 0045 onto the 005 today. So let me know what you think about that. On the 4-hour, we're losing volume. RSI is still up to 64.3. RSI based moving average is 58.4. And I think that's it. So we'll go back to X. So from the AMA, right, they were talking about tokenization for payroll. So they'll use these guys as the tokenization for payroll with Zebec and Algorand. So Algorand was saying too, RWA, which is a real world asset, is a new thing to payroll, which I thought was very interesting and actually perfectly phrased, right? A large payroll receivable, because they're saying, I guess there's a lot of activity on the algorithm chain, Algorand, and Algorand would boost the um, earning or the momentum or the payroll with their partnership. And as well, it was first example of a new asset class. Asset. This will be an example of a new RWA asset class, which the asset would be the partnership with Algorand and using Algorand for payrolls. And they're saying that there are more stable coins coming to the Algorand. I'm saying that right? The Algorand ecosystem, which would help uh, Zebec, right? Because Zebec uses the USDC circle on the Algorand network. And with the new stable coins coming for the UK market, it would boost payroll and adoption for Algorand. What up, Al? What's going on to all the Zebecians and everybody still holding Zebec? Everyone's continuing to diamond hand. Let me see something real quick. Okay, so back to it. What up, Yazim? I was wondering where you guys are at, man. What's going on, bro? What's going on, fam? What is up to the Zebekians? And let me know what you guys got out of the AMA. As we're just talking, so they're saying currently Zebec is using the USDC for token with Circle and adding the Algorand network. And Algorand had mentioned there are new stable coins coming to the UK market. And since the majority of the payroll processing for the ZBIC is in the US, this is a good way for ZBEC to get into the stablecoin market and the payroll market for UK. And they mentioned the Algorand stablecoins that they're adding. I didn't write those down, right? I was doing something else and I heard them and I didn't really get the full list of those tokens. But he also did mention, well, actually, during the live, there were 4,800 users listening. So that means the adoption is spreading for a ZBAC. And Zebec mentioned there's multiple companies calling them ever since the Genius Act passed. A lot more companies are wanting to work with them and get involved in the payroll processing. Well, let me know if there's anything you guys got from the AMA as well today. I think as a whole, it appears to be a pretty good AMA. You can see we're still pumping up 12.3%. So this is up 12.5, up 3.2 in the last hour, and up 12.5 for the day. See if we can go back here and see here on the 4 hour. It was the 2 hour. Let's look at the 1 hour. Maybe it was the 2 hour. Yeah, on the 2 hour, you can see pretty much every 2 hours it's going up. And we're building volume on the end there, which is what we like to see. If you like it, I love it. Let's go. So let's see here. Want to see if there is any newer postings actually. And if not, we'll go back to what we were previously discussing. So let's see here. What? Kid you not? I swear we're almost starting to get 10 new wallet holders every minute. ZBIC, this is going insane. Really? Are we getting 10 new wallets a minute? Hold on. Oh wow, he's right. Actually pushing pretty hard there. But looks like 74 in the last 4 hours. We don't get the actual hour one yet that subscribed. So we're still at 71,167. What up? HTTR all day. What's going on, fam? So we'll go back to X. So bullish. Let me see. What is this guy talking about? He dropped a bombshell on the Zebec Space. We were funded to make payroll and other streams of value in the economy happen in real time. This has been planned. XRP needs us for payroll. That makes me believe we're 100% the ship and bear able guys riddles. Interesting. So this is Algorand Foundation Atomic Swap provides Zebec, ZBCN with a highly efficient, secure, and trustless mechanism for managing and transferring digital assets across different chains, which is critical or crucial for Zebec's vision of becoming comprehensive, interoperable financial infrastructure. So this is guaranteed trustless cross-chain asset swaps. Algorand atomic transfer allows multiple transactions, even involving different assets from different parties. So these guys are doing multiple transactions from multiple assets across different platforms, which is pretty interesting. I actually didn't know much about Algorand until the AMA. So I actually picked up a lot of information about Algorand. I'm not even sure if I'm saying it, Algorand and some of the stuff they're working on and some of they're doing. Let me see. You either all succeed or all fail as a single indivisible unit. This eliminates counterparty risk, meaning neither party needs to trust the other or a third party intermediary. Benefits for Zebec. Zebec is building a multi chain financial infrastructure which users want to move or exchange assets, convert Algorand to USDC for spending via Zebec, Zebec card, or potentially exchange other Algorand standard assets with tokens on other chains. By removing the need for centralized intermediaries, Atomic Swap can inherently reduce transaction fees and potentially speed up the settlement process. Algorand's low fees and near instant finality further amplifies this benefit. What up, Halls Balls? What's going on? Zebec up 40%. Let's go. BTM Crypto News Network. What up, Silver Day? XRP Army. Benefits for Zebec for a platform focused on real-time payroll and everyday spending. Low fees are paramount. The efficiency of Algorand's atomic transfer, combined with its overall low transaction costs, directly translates into more cost-effective services for Zebec users. Faster transactions also mean quicker access to funds and intermediate settlement of payments. So, speaking of low fees and faster transactions, smash the like and subscribe. House Balls, let's go. House Balls, Silver Days. I was wondering where you guys were at. I missed yesterday. I was actually at a crypto event with Bitcoin being, which is actually pretty interesting. But I was talking to someone there, and they were saying Ethereum's probably on the way out, right? It's only a matter of time before Ethereum crashes. And with Ethereum going down, right? What else is there beside good old Solana? So if Solana is to, I guess, take over or at least pull the market share, things on a Solana network, i.e., um, Zebec is right in the perfect position because they were saying about the speed of Ethereum and the fees, right? And it's like Ethereum wants to fee to death, but then the network keeps going down. So I don't know if Ethereum's going down would actually bring Zebec up, right? Because Ethereum going down and Solana, let's check the Solana price. Yo, what up? Fam, saw BTM in the spaces today with all the big names. Let's freaking go. Yes, Clay was there. So let me know what points you got from the spaces. I mentioned earlier, um, there's more stable coins coming to Algorand, USDC Circle on the Algorand network, and new stable coins for Algorand coming in the UK market. And I noticed there was like almost 5,000 people listening live, which is actually one of the larger AMAs I've been on, which is also a good catalyst for Zebec. So Zebec is up 12.2%, 12.2 on the day, 40% on the week. Silver Days, Yazim is in the house. Crypto Clay, Ethereum is the Netscape of crypto. Huh. Sad, but you might be right. And I was thinking, a lot of people are getting deep into Ethereum, but Ethereum might be falling short to Solana if this real world assets take off on Solana. Might be kind of rough on Ethereum. Crypto Clay, my brother from another mother. Rest in peace, Hulk Hogan. MAGA forever. What I got was Zebec is making partnerships with all the right people. Yeah, and Zebec is pretty much making a card so you can transfer crypto from any ecosystem or exchange, right? So as you says, they're making all the right partnerships, but they're also making it where they will be. Oh, that's what the US means. Okay, so they're making the partnerships where they will be useful across all these platforms. So I might pull up, the trustee and see what exactly is Algorand. Let's see, Algorand. This is Hulk Hogan was a racist. Arg. Not opening up that rabbit hole, but agreed. Uh, let like Ripple weird. See here. So this is that ZBCN Algo ran podcast is today. Was there any news with Swift and Algo? Because there is news with Algo. Wait, there is news with Swift and Zebec. Pirates, how many of you got the messaging? People messaging you today. Get in this coin. It's only 2 cents, or this coin's 1 cent, or $3. I said, let me tell you something. You need to get in the Zebec because it will change your life. Why would I buy something that I would have less of? So then I said it again. You need to get on a boat. Zebec is highly underrated, under a half a cent, going after $11 trillion payroll market. It's not a brain surgeon. I'm not a brain surgeon. Seems like the smartest move to me. I agree with you there. definitely not. HTTR all day. But not gonna get political here, bro. Stick to the money, man. Let's just stick to the money because that'll definitely go down a real serious rabbit hole. ZBCN price alert. Once again, I've called this low. We won't see it again. We reached my target entry resistance level and jumped up from it. I am bullish AF on Zebec. Congratulations on the trade if you took any. So this is Zebec is building with serious players. They aren't just partners. They're blue chip alliances, financial institutions. Don't sleep on ZBCN. Ignore it all or regret it later. Yeah, a lot of people are missing out, right? I was talking to some people at the meetup yesterday, and nobody had heard of Zebec. I got to get these Zebec shirts cranking out, bro. I need you guys to pick up a shirt. I'll put the link on my X page so we can get the word out. So we got to get the word out. It's good we got in early. Now we need more adoption, right? We have lift off ZBCN payroll of the future. ZBN ZBCN 004 plus 5%. Market cap 334 million. So let me see, where's the market cap? Why does Live Coin not charge the freaking market cap? Uh, so we're looking good on the 2-hour chart. You can steadily see the up and up going. Currently, we are 379.8 million, up 10%. You read a comment. Other than that, I have nothing to say about him. Nothing to say at all, bro. Not even, not even entertaining that. Yep. Now you see why Zebec added Binance to their partnership on the website. USYC is now supported as off-exchange collateral for Binance. What is you Circle? At their own token? International institutional clients unlocking more capital efficiency. Um, Unlocking more capital efficiency yield with tokenized U.S. Treasuries. TMMF backed by U.S. Treasuries. Near instant fundability with USDC. This collaboration brings the power of tokenized traditional assets to one of the largest ecosystems in crypto. Read more about Circle. Press release. Learn more about Circle. I didn't know Circle was one of the largest. I mentioned that too yesterday in the meeting. We actually have a meeting today, but yesterday I was talking about I picked up some Circle. What is that? Circle stock, right? Instead of just the crypto, I actually got the stock as well. Today at 3 p.m., 8 p.m. UK spaces with Algorand. Host Chris. Chris is actually a really good host. I wish the AMA was longer than 30 minutes, but they did cover a lot of good information in the 30-minute AMA about tokenization for payroll and RWA for Zebec and Algorand being new to the payroll business and large payroll receivables. And this is a good example, one of the first examples of the real world asset. And they were trying to create a new asset class. Zebec uptrend has begun. It's about to send full. Just clocked in 30 million and 24-hour trading volume. It's not normal. That's a breakout level interest. Eyes on Zebec. Whales are circling. Tier one exchanges are waiting, are watching. Still early, still undervalued. Let's see if we can get some new information. But in the interim, where is it? So this is it? Yeah. Okay. So this is breaking down Algorand. Algorand is a decentralized open source blockchain network designed to be fast, secure, and scalable with a strong focus on sustainability. It's created by Salvo something, a turning award-winning cryptographer and MIT professor. It launched in 2019. What's unique about Algorand proof of stake? Unlike Bitcoin proof of work, Algorand uses proof of stake consensus mechanism, which allows fast finality, 5 seconds, and low energy usage, making it eco-friendly. High throughput can process over 6,000 transactions per second, designed to handle high volume decentralized applications, dApps, finance, and tokenized assets. So let me know if you guys were into Algorand before they partnered with um, Zebec. Low fees, transaction fees are a fraction of a penny, ideal for microtransactions, gaming, and DeFi. Developer friendly support smart contracts via Algorand smart contracts or ASC1 custom tokens and NFTs. Tools available in Python, JavaScript, Go, and Rust. Key use cases DeFi, DEX, stablecoins, USDC, and UST lending, payment, fast cross border transactions, payment tools like Zebec, CBDC, partnering with multiple governments, exploring digital currencies, carbon credits tracks and verifies carbon offset projects transparently. Native token algo used for network fees, staking, and governance. Holders can participate in on chain voting and earn staking rewards. Major partners Circle, USDC, Zebec, El Salvador, and Marshall Islands. I'm not even sure what ZBCN Pilots Drone Racing League. What? It's a drone racing league? Uh, FIFA official partner in 2022. And I think that's the World Cup for soccer for FIA. Finality in 4 to 5 seconds, zero downtime, secure against forks and malicious validators. One of the most energy efficient blockchains, certified carbon negative in 2021. Algorand is the next gen blockchain focused on sustainability, speed, and scalability, low cost, real world finance, and smart contracts, tokenization. It's a trusted by institutions, rapidly expanding into Web3, DeFi, and global payments. That's interesting. So I'm trying to see if there's any new updates here. And we'll come back to X. So let's see here. Algorand don't mess around. Salvin is one of the godfathers of the blockchain. They do their DD over there. Due diligence would not even entertain ZBIC if it wasn't legit. Definitely, right? Nobody, that's what I'm saying. Why would all these people be partnering with it, working with, supporting, and updating and uh processing with ZBIC if Zebec wasn't that guy, if it wasn't that main software or main blockchain, right? Is touring is a Turing Award winner. He holds blockchain patents that are so advanced he cannot even release them yet because the tech is not far enough along to run them. Really? Algo will be $100 dynasty. Glad that we're tuning up with them. Fractionalized real estate as well as a lofty AI on Algo. Really? Zebec is the biggest upward potential multiplier on the crypto horizon, period. Uh, Stop with the XRP obsession. Just process what ZBN is actually doing. If this was not enough for you, your Lambo is the different garage. What? Enough for you, your Lambo is in a different garage. So this is listing is inevitable. Coinbase and Zebec. What do you guys think? Do you think they're going to list on the 31st? I think a lot of things are going to happen on the 31st, right? With this partnership and the price going crazy, actually it came down a little bit. Uh, How's this take so long to update? Looks like we're still stepping up on the 2-hour chart. Let's see here when it refreshes. No, this ain't. What the freak? Let me come back and open that back up. So yeah, we're still stepping up on the 2-hour chart. See what's going on. The 1-hour chart looks like there's some pullback, but it pushed back up. We're at the 0.042. The high was 0.005 or 45. Things are looking pretty good. 15-minute chart has 0.049. This is a cool partnership because Zebec is already partnered with Proppy. Proppy is a tokenized real estate as well. And I was actually talking to someone that was using Proppy, which was actually a really good product. I was talking to them yesterday. I want to say they were involved with it or in it. They're mentioning somebody put their mansion on the property. I guess it's a blockchain or ecosystem, but they haven't okayed where you can actually get your title from these tokenized real estate companies. But when they do, if your assets are already on there, the title will come from the crypto ecosystem, which is actually pretty cool. This is next thread holds 0.005. That's what I was thinking too, bro. The 0.005 is coming today, my guys. All you Zebecians and Zebec holders, the 0.005 is coming soon. 10 movers, 24 hours. Pump is down 13%. M is down 13%. AXL 12%. Zebec is up 12%. Where's my pen? CVX is up 11%. Syrup is up 10%. Wait, Syrup is up 9%. Dog is up 8%. ENA is up 8%. CRV is up 7, and Chronos is up 7. So we'll look at that. What was that? KLX and CVX at some point. Keeping it moving. King X features, Zebex take profit, 5% target. Zebec had a double MACD cross. It's a good thing? Bad thing? That's cool. It's weird. How can you see a double MACD cross? Um, oh wow, this guy Thomas Williams is burning it down, bro. 200 new Zebec holders today. Welcome to the fam Zebecians. Really? Just dropped a bombshell on the Zebec space. Were founded to make payroll and other streams of value in the economy happen in real time. This has been planned. You read that already. Zebec Network is cranking upward trend symbol. Time to load up. Zebec will pay a role teamed up with others for the new payment system. The golden age in America has begun. Crypto, AXTP, Aldo, HBAR, and of course Chrono as the best crypto buy right now. Okay. I guess we'll go over to uh coin market, right? Don't speak Chinese. Um token backed program uses revenue from cards and payroll to repurchase ZBIC monthly, reducing supply and supporting long term value. Tokens are held securely with institutional partners, reflecting commitment to ecosystem sustainability. ZBEC crypto. What is Collide? What is this? What is this? This is Collide partnership. You guys know? Um, so I guess that is it. Let's go over to Coin Market Cap. The only wizard I listen to is Blockchain Backer. So here we're up 11.1%. Market cap 379.9, up 11%. We're up today. Zebec Network 5%, 24-hour price gain stems from a strategic partnership with Octa Space and a bullish technical momentum. Did I see that for Octa Space? I thought I did list that somewhere. I completely forgot about the Octo Space thing with the AMA with Algorand. What up, Peter? What's going on? Looking for this Algo. What was this? Octo Space announcement. I thought I had it on here. Maybe not. No, I'm not sure. You know, the token. No, I will not even speak about another token. I do hold other tokens. Yes, I believe I've committed myself to pushing a Zebec ZBCN post about integration. Then their post is what I'm sharing. If someone you in the crypto space is interested, do your own research. Just know, nope, you're not going to get rich quick. You have to have firm conviction or else you're wasting your time and money. So this is the announcement about the AMA. Join us for the ecosystem space with Algorand. This is a meeting I'm going to this Web3 workshop today. So it's MetaMask and Solana. Message me if you want any questions passed over to these guys. Just a card The meme coin coach. We're proud to support Bonk Fund ecosystem. In fact, Bonk was the first meme card we launched on Zebec. So this is, I'm looking for that announcement. I don't guess it's on here because this is from yesterday. Okay, here it is. I'm tripping. Octa Space and Zebec Network strategic partnership announcement. We're proud to officially partner with Zebec, bring Octo to the real world purchases. Octo will be spendable anywhere MasterCard is accepted via Zebec Silver and Carbon cards. But this isn't just a listing, it's a strategic integration. Together, we're combining Octospace decentralized computing power with Zebec's on-chain payment stack to reshape the future of DPN finance. Real utilities, real infrastructure, real payments. Stay tuned. The Zebec Black Octo card is just beginning. So this is when Binance adds Zebec to their exchange, Zebec will go through the roof. With Binance now being shown as a Web3 partner on the Zebec website, it should only be a matter of time. And just imagine Coinbase and Kraken following suit. Let's freaking go, Zebec. So what's going on in the chat here? How's everything? Hope all is well. An Octo Space Cloud GPU. You looking? That's what I was thinking too, right? I'm not sure which Octo Space that was. I was thinking that too, like the guys that make the cords, the GPU power thing. Cause Zebec is killing this cycle. Normies will love this price. Give me your price prediction by the end of August, Mr. 5-6. I'm thinking Zebec by the end of August. I don't know, 5 to 10 cents maybe. Hopefully 5 cents, but I don't know truly. And I don't have a crystal ball. The letter agency, the FBI is still holding my crystal ball where they're looking for the Epstein files. Zebec is below next bear market price, man. 3 cents, maybe five. That's what I was thinking. Actually, probably more five. Actually, yeah, you're right. 3 cents because we're not even at 0.005, 0.005 yet. So yeah, 5 cents would be a heck of a push. 3 cents will be amazing. I would take it. Need this milk money. I know that's right. And school starting, bro. Definitely need the milk money. Let's go over here. Back to what we're saying. Octospace integration expands Zebec's debit card ecosystem to 15 blockchains. 15, the 1-5, the nifty 50, or the nifty 15. We make 15 blockchains. Technical breakout from a falling wedge pattern signals bullish continuation. Market sentiment leans towards altcoins as Bitcoin dominance dips slightly. Primary catalyst, Octaspace partnership. Why didn't they put the AMA on here? That's weird. Zebec announced on July 24th, Octaspace, Octa token and blockchain are now integrated into its debit card systems, allowing the space via MasterCard. This marks Zebec's 15 supported chain, following its Algorand integration on July 22nd. The collaboration includes plans for co-branded Zebec Octa cards targeting Octo's community. Octa Space. The freak is I gotta know here. Is this the same? thing I'm thinking it was. The news aligns with Zebec's 37% weekly surge, suggesting investors are pricing in Zebec's growing utility and a bridging decentralized infrastructure, DPN in real world with real world payments. Utilizing, all right, with growing utility and bridging decentralized infrastructure, DPN with real world payments, technical context, bullish reversal confirmed, falling wedge breakout. Zebec broke above a descending wedge pattern on July 21st, rallying to the 0045 before retracing to the 0041. Pattern this pattern typically signals trend reversals. Key levels, the token holds above the 20-day EMA at the 0035 and the 0028 support, maintaining higher highs, lows. RSI 14 days at 54.7, suggesting neutral momentum, leaving room for upside before overbought conditions. MAC histograph turned positive at the 00012, reinforcing bullish momentum. Close above the 0045 could target a Fibonacci extension at the 005, 37%. 3 cents is modest for me. Yeah, we meet at 5. Octa Space is a good project. They are the ones down with DeepSeek or similar tech, something like that. Word, milk, bread, and some honey. Brother, Mr. 56. Let me see. What is I thought so Octa Space, weird that they would bring us back to the Octa Space announcement. Trying to remember who Octaspace is. Octaspace is the scalable and fully decentralized cloud node infrastructure for distributed computing. So I guess it is the GPU guys. 3 hours ago, just in Zebec and Octaspace goes live. Just Octaspace, Zebec just integrated Octo in its native coin on its native chain into the debit card ecosystem. Zebec cards now supporting 15 chains. Octa holders can now spend globally via MasterCard. Octaspace.cast. I thought I knew that from somewhere. Octaspace Zebec's partnership will now be will now be sendable anywhere MasterCard is accepted via Zebec's Silver and Carbon card. I think we read this one already. This is Zebec. Said us a couple days ago, actually. Octaspace chain as the fifth chain on the Zebec Silver and Carbon card, enabling Octaspace community to spend Octo anywhere MasterCard is accepted. That's what I thought. It was the power thing, right? What do you think? Decentralized. You got Octaspace global decentralized node infrastructure deployed every corner of the world. So I thought I opened up the link tree. I guess I did not. But I wanted to check their actual page because I think it is these guys make the we need a rate cut. It will make the market boom. Facts, bro. I think we'll get it. Powell needs to get his ass on board. I was looking at that. I think Powell might step down, right? It'd be in his best interest, especially if he ain't trying to do anything with the interest rate. Oh wow, this is actually pretty cool. Um, that's weird. Octa Space shaping the future of distributed computing. Ready to launch distributed computing solutions. I'm not sure what this is. Da, 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 da. It's cutting edge distributed rendering platform, leveraging our global network of nodes and packed of plethora of features, supporting multiple rendering image engines. It delivers lightning fast rendering with simplicity in mind. Okay. Let the space operates decentralized compute marketplace where users can offer hardware for rental in the form of nodes, with providers setting custom prices based on hardware configuration. This decentralized approach creates a dynamic and competitive ecosystem, promoting the democratized of computing and encouraging competitive pricings. Octa Space supports and provides wide range of hardware, both CPU and GPUs from major manufacturers. Nodes can range from server grade multi GPU configurations to heavy compute tasks to Raspberries serving as VP and exit nodes. Okay, so I do remember what this is. Okay, okay. 12,426 CPUs, 520 GPUs, 28 terahash of RAM. That's some serious computing power, ladies and gentlemen. Boys and girls, cats and dogs. No, Trump will keep Powell just in case shit goes wrong. He'll be there to be the blame. Laughing my behind off. Let's see here. Conclusion. Zebec's price rise reflects organic demand for payroll, expanding payment ecosystems, and a technical setup favoring bulls, while the Octo Space deal is a interim trigger. Zebec 7% monthly card transaction growth, 52 million and 11,900 issue cards add fundamental weight. Will Zebec bullish structure hold if Bitcoin dominance rebounds above 61%? So we'll go check that real quick. What is the Bitcoin dominance at now? Bitcoin's at 118K. Ethereum's at 3,717. XRP is at 319. Others at a buck. Binance is at 779. Solana's 187. USDC is a buck. Um, Dogecoin is 23 cents. Tron is 31 cents. And Cardano is 81 cents. So fear and greed is at 67, which is greed. And the Bitcoin, well, the alt season is at 41. Trying to check the Bitcoin dominance. So Bitcoin is roughly uh that's the altcoin season. Where's the Bitcoin dominance? That's weird. Dang, Putty Penguin is up 341 over 90 days. Uh okay, so we're at the 1 hour mark. Let's check a couple of what is this? Go back to CoinMarketCap and see a couple postings and we'll shut it down for the day. Thanks for joining. Bulls are back. Reverse forming, big breakout ahead. ZBCN is the future. We're truly blessed to be in this early. Hold strong for the moon. Experts predict $1. Let's go, one man, please and thank you. Please and thank you. For the FUD saying Zebec is a scam, this post made by Algorand. Big news. Zebec is integrated to Algo into the card and payroll. This means Algo holders can now spend their tokens anywhere MasterCard is accepted and across to access seamless crypto payroll through Zebec. A daily reminder in this form, Zebec once again has proven FUD and scam wrong. At this point, we're going to be crazy not to invest. You're extremely early. Holding millions of this coin will prove wise. Algo says Zebec is the key utility of blockchain using the infrastructure of the blockchain. Zebec is straying at the range and ready to break out. Zebec is starting to think that Pablo Honey is money and I got, huh? I'm starting to think Pablo Honey is the money and I guy. Okay. I don't follow that, but who the freak is Pablo Honey? Um, wow, this space was awesome. So bullish. This coin is the future, man. Definitely. But as always, guys, I'm shutting it down. Thanks for joining. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Got to go pick up the kiddos. I might be back later, but I also have another meeting to attend for MetaMask and Solana. The guy is moving up in the world. Thanks for joining. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe in Super Chat. And let me know in the comments if we forgot anything or if there is anything else that's going on. But thanks for joining. It's your main man BTM signing out. Remember, stay dangerous. And as always, let's get back to the money, guys. And it's okay to be different, strange, or weird. Maybe it's not you that's weird, it's everyone else. But as always, peace and hair grease. See you guys tomorrow. Same bat channel, same bat time. Miner out.